Namaste, Shri Param Jyoti Amma Bhagwan Sharanam. Today's Bhagavad Sakshatkar experience is shared by Kamala Chandrasekhar from Chennai East Zone. Padapran 29th November 2021. Padapranams, my dearest Shri Amma Bhagwan. I thank my Lord on this day of gratitude for some of the many miracles that He has done for me. These are after the Bhagavad Sakshatkaram process 2 weeks back. I went on a 3-day cruise trip with my daughter, had to fly 5 hours to another state, California to Florida to board the ship. One of the requisites was a vaccination certificate showing both dates, which I was not aware of. Mine showed only the final date, and since I was one of the first ones to get it in India, it was also not registered online. The cruise authorities would not let me in without both the dates. After trying in vain for 2 hours, we were getting ready to go back. Suddenly, from nowhere came an authoritative figure, accompanied us all the way into the ship, bypassing all the checkpoints, and told us to go ahead and board. Wow! I knew it was none other than my dear Bhagwan who had appeared to help me. On the ship the next day, I witnessed exactly 7 white birds migrating. They flew alongside the ship for a while. Again, I knew it was my loving Bhagwan telling me not to worry, that he was with me no matter what. On the ship, my daughter was experiencing tremendous lower back pain. As a mother, I could not stand it. I prayed and told Bhagwan, please do something. There was an acupuncturist in the ship who was giving treatments. We went to see her, but she was fully booked. But after consultation, she miraculously was able to find time to give a treatment to my daughter. She felt much better after that. Enna karunai en mele unakku Bhagavan. After going back from this trip, after just a day, we went to the airport to board a flight to India. The airline required us to fill some declaration forms for COVID, which we were not aware of. They said they could not let us board unless we filled it. I tried my best to do it via my phone, but the data kept disappearing. We gave up helplessly and decided to take the flight the next day, although we had a lot of luggage, since we felt we needed a computer to do it and were running out of time. When we went to the airline counter, the manager said that if a family member promises to fill it out for us that day, she can let us board. We were able to get the help of my brother and sister-in-law, and all went well with our check-in. During the security process, my husband was thoroughly searched due to a suspicious packet, according to them, of flaxseed powder, and again, we were afraid of missing a flight. Of course, my dearest Bhagwan would definitely not let anything happen to us. We boarded our flight without any problems at the correct time. Through all of the above experiences, I was very calm in the complete faith and trust that whatever happens, it is an experience given to me by my dearest Sri Amma Bhagwan for my growth. I was in the present moment experiencing reality as it was. I felt peaceful, calm, and aware. There was this deep knowing that I was taken care of no matter what. No words to all to express my gratitude for this amazing state. It was as if you gave me these experiences to show me my amazing state. Anantakoti Nandigal, my dearest Lord, for bestowing thy grace on me and being with me always. Love you very, 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 very much. Namaste.